So, welcome to my video. Welcome to my first video, actually. Hopefully, everybody's doing well in today's video. I'm sorry. Let's make it again. Hopefully, everybody is doing well. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my first video. In this video series, I will be analyze the market and just upload it to YouTube. I just had an idea about why I'm not doing a YouTube series. I have knowledge. I can share my knowledge with you. So I'm thinking about making a YouTube series, like just sharing what I'm expecting from next week or tomorrow's price action, or maybe we can make some recaps from my charts, from my trades. If you want those type of videos, you can just comment below. So let's start. First of all, I want to start from 1 month. When we look at the 1 month, actually we have nothing, but we're kinda actually not. So when we look at the 1 month, we just swept this monthly candles high. So but more than that is actually nothing. So I'm looking into this weekly. When we look at the weekly time frame, let's clear this chart. We have also nothing. We just have this bullish fair value gap. We have this. I'm sorry. We have this weekly fair value gap. So we have this weekly. Generally, I'm not talking when I'm making analysis. I'm just writing with my keyboard like that. But it comes to me different. You know what I mean by that? It feels different. So forgive me. We have this bullish fair value gap. If you have a bearish scenario, I can expect market to rebalance back to this fair value gap. Why not? But as long as we rebalance and respect daily 4 hour, 1 hour bullish PDA raise, I will be more bullish. Because when I'm looking into this price action, we're just pumping, and as we can see, order flow is from April 21st, 2025, we're just pumping higher, and we are respecting every daily 4 hour bullish imbalances. So we can say that order flow was bullish, so I'm going to be more bullish going into the week. Okay, so on weekly we have just this weekly fair value gap, but it means literally nothing as long as we rebalance and respect daily bullish imbalances, because we're just pumping higher. So when we look at the daily time frame, we can see we just swept this buy side, and after we swept this buy side, we're rebalancing back to this fair value gap, back to this daily. And what I said, we're bullish, and as long as we respect this bullish imbalances, I will be more bullish. Yes, we just swept buy side. We can be more bearish because we swept buy side. After we sweep buy sides, we make pullback. But also, I actually, yeah, we just swept this buy side, but what I'm specifically looking for is my order flow, my PDA array. Buy side liquidity by itself means absolutely nothing. As if we have a bullish order flow, if we're respecting bullish PDA arrays, so my PDA arrays are fair value gaps. You guys can look into order blocks, maybe volume imbalances, maybe propulsion blocks, whatever it is, maybe inversion fair value gaps. It all depends on you as a trader, but for me, I specifically look into fair value gaps. So when we look at this chart, we're rebalancing this daily fair value gap. So I will be more bullish as long as we respect this fair value gap. But if we make a displacement to the downside on Monday or Tuesday, I can be more bearish, because it says to me we're not respecting bullish PD arrays. I'm not respecting two bullish fair value gap. So if you're not respecting the bullish fair value gap, it means bullish order flow is not gets respected on daily time frame. So I can be more bearish if we break this fair value gap, but basically we're just rebalancing and looks like we're holding. We just made a rebalance, candle comes down and close higher, so it means like a rebalance. I'll be more bullish, but before that price action we can say that market made higher, market make a higher movement and then made a pullback into this daily volume imbalance. We tried this imbalance, we just closed higher, we tried it again and we closed higher, then we made a bullish movement and we swept by set and we're just holding this daily fair value gap. So like I said, I will be more bullish because we're holding this daily fair value gap. When I look into 4-hour time frame, we can see that we just swept sell side. And when we look at the ES, let's look at an ES. I also open an ES. We're not sweeping the sell side, so it creates SMT. It creates bullish SMT. We have this bullish SMT. So this bullish SMT makes a extra confluence to my bullish bias. Let's go into, actually I also want to say something on 4-hour. We can see that we never rebalanced, we never made a pullback into this 4-hour bearish range equilibrium, but we know that in order to make a trend continuation we need to make a pullback at least back to this bearish range equilibrium. So it will play like this idea will play like a generating liquidity. And also we have a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. If you have a bullish scenario, this will withdraw liquidity because this is my PDA rate on 4-hour. So we just swept the sell side. Like I said, we have nothing on 1-hour, so let's go into 30-minute chart. 30-minute chart, we also actually nothing, but we have this new range. Let's go into 15-minute. On 15-minute we have this buy side, as you can see, and this generates liquidity. If you had a bullish scenario, this will be my first target, first drawn liquidity. Actually this will be my drawn liquidity. So, and also we have a sell side, and we have a sell side, we have a buy side, and we never swept one of them. So we can say that we're stuck inside of a range. For me to be more clear, for me to be more price action, I have to see this. I have to see whether this or this, maybe this, for me to be more clear on drawn liquidity. But right now we're just inside of this range, so for me to be more clear I have to see one of the sell side or buy side gets swept, because as long as we're inside of this range we can just consolidate. We can just consolidate all day long. So what I'm expecting is, on a best case scenario, because we're bullish, because we're respecting bullish imbalances, the best case scenario will be we came low, we came lower, sweep, maybe another SMT with this low, and then higher movement. Maybe change in the state now, maybe another change in the state on higher time frames like 1-hour. When we look at the 1-hour, if we swept this low, we can create a bearish down close series of down close candles. So we can see a change in the state maybe. If we will be bullish, we can see a change in the state after that sweep. But right now we have nothing. We just stuck inside of this range. So I will be looking for. Actually, it all depends on overnight session, in my opinion. When we look at the 5-minute, I can see this range also. So when we look at the 5 minutes, I can speak faster maybe. I'm sorry about this, but when we look at the 5 minute chart, we just swept the sell side. Yeah, we just swept the sell side, and there is no more confluences. We just swept the sell side. For me to be more clear, I have to see maybe internal sweep, and then maybe dump, bearish order flow, maybe continues and we make lower, maybe we sweep this low. But if we sweep this sell side, or we don't have to sweep the sell side actually, we have two scenarios: whether we pump higher because we're bullish, or we can just make another we can make another test for this sell side, for this internal sell side. We have this low, and after we sweep the sell side, I'm looking for two things. We make a bullish movement, or we continue to get lower and we can sweep the sell side below us. So it all actually depends on overnight session. Let's go into 1 minute. 1 minute. On 1 minute chart, we're actually making the same exact thing that we have on 15 minute. When we look at the 15 minute, we just sweep sell side, and after sell side sweeps, we're creating this range and we're stuck in this inside of this range. And also when I'm looking into 1 minute, we just swept the sell side and we're stuck inside of a range. As you can see, we're stuck inside of this range. So it all depends on overnight session. We can just dump, we can just pump. I don't know what's gonna happen, but in the best case scenario will be we can sweep the sell side and move higher because we're bullish. But if you make a summary, it all depends on overnight session. Lower time frame confluences are not ready, so I will be looking for. Actually, it all depends on overnight session. So actually, that is all. About. This is so actually this is all. So actually this is all. So actually, those are the things that I wait from next week's price action. It all depends on overnight session. Like I said, if you like this video, you can hit the like button or subscribe to my channel. Or if you want some like strategic videos, if you want my strategy video, if you want a strategy video from me, you can just type below on a comment section. Or if you want some things that can I improve, you can just also write into comment sections. That's it. See you.